For weeks, BC has heard warnings of a potential triple threat if COVID, influenza and RSV cases rise all at once. Numbers provided by the province today reveal a steep increase in pediatric cases among some of those illnesses, though health officials said BC is nowhere near the surging levels seen in Ontario.
We're not seeing the same picture yet here in BC, though we're continuing to watch. And I do not believe we need that heavy hand of a mandate to send a clear message that masks are an important tool that we can all use during this time.
I don't want us to wait until we are seeing the levels that they're seeing in Ontario before we take action in this province.
Political opponents not the only people hoping to see more action from the province. Doctors say the surge in young people who are sick is contributing to bottlenecks at emergency rooms, where wait times have stretched into the double digits. This morning, the wait time at BC Children's Hospital ER was estimated at 12 hours.
We're seeing the numbers rise. It's not the 24 hours that Ontario is seeing, but as of last week, BC was seeing 8 hours or 9 hours. So it's growing, and that's where a lot of the concern is coming from.
Officials did acknowledge the challenges in ERs, which they say they are tracking and working behind the scenes to stem.
And we have to know in this period of respiratory illness that there is going to be, and is, more pressure on emergency rooms.
The province now encouraging mask wearing in crowded indoor settings and saying to stay home when sick regardless of whether you have COVID or not. But this doctor says encouraging masks simply isn't enough.
But I feel that the gravity of the situation facing our children requires the heavy hand of this is where we are at, and we need to impose this because we need to stop the children's hospital system from collapsing.
Some working in healthcare settings hoping to see more measures as cases climb and wait times for care get longer, and doctors encouraging those who are behind on their vaccines to catch up. Michelle Gassoub, CBC News, Vancouver.